Let's fix some broken mud flaps with sandpaper. Sandpaper? Yeah, sandpaper. I don't recall who gave me this tip, but somebody on my page or someplace on the internet said, I use sandpaper. Okay, well, I'm going to use sandpaper too. So this is just your garden variety black sandpaper, and this is 400 grit. I don't know that it really matters what grit you want. If you happen to have something on hand, you can use it, and here's how you will. Okay, so what I've done was I cut out a strip, and the thing about this fix is you can make this as wide, as long as you wish. This is purely up to you. You can decide how you want them to look. And what I'm going to do is come right on the back side of that, and look at that. That does look like a mud flap, doesn't it? Pretty cool. Here we go. We're going to put this one on just for fun. If you want, you can take a black Sharpie and color this in if you want. And just like this, a little Instaset to make it quick, and voila. That one is on. And don't worry, all that extra Instaset is going to evaporate off, and you won't see it anymore. And there we go, just like this. And I'm going to try and get them the same height. Luckily, if I do mess that up, I do have a scissors, and that stuff cuts pretty easy. And one more time with a little dab of Instaset to make sure we can move them on. And here we go. And that is how you can use sandpaper to fix broken mud flaps. If you like a kit like this, or wheels, or glue, or tools, go to rockinhfarmtoys.com. Now, go make something awesome.